Part 255. This is line 22E12B. Step 2. Create 4 quarks with Neutrinos formula UFO 5G Wow Seti. There's 3 videos before this one. You want to start with line 22E11 to get all the data and formulas that go together with this particular section. If you want to search all of line 22, you want to start at line 22A. Okay? Because it goes from A to E right now. The whole line 22 actually goes up to K. Okay, so this is the Wow Seti alien radio signal. There's the Google numbers. That's the answer to the equation, the actual equation. I Googled both of them to find the data. So the data quote from Mesons. The BS Meson live only a small fraction of a second. A BS Meson turns into a pair of lighter particles. A JPSI Meson, a bound state of a charm quark and a charm antiquark, and a phi Meson, a bound state of a strange quark and a strange antiquark. Time between a BS Meson production and a proton-antiproton collision and its decay into the JPSI-PHI pair is so short that we measure it in picoseconds. The picosecond is a millionth of a second. Fortunately, the BS speed is such that the Meson travels a detectable distance measured in millimeters. Meters? I don't know if they spelled that right. Before the decay, the JPSI and PHI mesons in turn are very short-lived. They quickly decay into a pair of muons and a pair of kaons, respectively. These final 4 particles travel through the experimental apparatus and leave impulses along the trajectories that can be accurately measured. Notice that they form into 4 particles there, okay? The D0 collaboration has sifted through millions of proton-antiproton collisions recorded in the last 2 years and found about 500 events of such BS decays, both the light and heavy partners. By a careful analysis of the distribution of the directions of the muons and kaons, the group found that indeed the heavy brother appears to live longer, in agreement with the theory. So that's from www.do.fnal.gov. So 9:39 p.m. my thoughts. It says the Meson only lives in pioseconds. How long does a neutrino live? And will it develop a heavier mass after colliding with the Meson? Google collide neutrino with Meson particle. Quote, Wiki says charged mesons decay sometimes through intermediate particles to form electrons and neutrinos. Each one has formula ideas on it that tie in with this concept. There are 5 videos altogether, one on line 22E11 and 4 videos on line 22E12. The videos parts 1 to 4 are listed as A to D for my formula ideas along with the data. I want you to try this and blog your results. The idea girl says thank you for helping me prove these theories. I guess each of these videos are going to be pretty short. So there's the list of videos. There are 2 videos now for 12A because my battery died on me. Actually, I'll probably edit them into one for you. We'll see. Okay? And that's all the videos there. And then we're going to go on to the next one, which is 12C, line 22E12C. Okay?